For this next song, I'd like to dedicate it to any hula dancers in the house. Dave, you can turn on the lights. I'm going to ask my wife Nancy to join. It's a song, there's a halau here. I know we got Mehana's halau and we also got Leolani's halau. Yeah. But I was mentioned by many guys. One of them was Eddie Kama, who recently passed away. And the other one was Uncle Bob Nelson, who actually lived in Arizona for. And if anybody know this song, a song called Honey Moon, you guys can come up. Yeah, Mehana's on this side and Leolani's on this side. So you guys do it. Come on, no shame. Honey Moon, you guys, and Jenna. Where's Gary? Oh, we got Nancy. We also got my daughter. This is my Hanai daughter, Jessica. Come on. Everybody come up. Anyway, Uncle Robert Nelson wrote such songs as wow, Danny Hula Dances. I'm gonna have fun on different how even the white music like. When you see somebody take pictures and Honolulu by moonlight, sing along if you do. You'll be in heaven by the sea. Every wave will whisper, aloha, you're mine, don't ever go away. For Martina and Cece, Hanale moon is lighting, beloved Kauai. Hanale moon, aloha, nova, Yahweh. Everybody say Hanaho. When you see by moonlight, you'll be in heaven by the sea. For Wendy and Ben, every wave will whisper, you're mine, don't ever go away. Okay, everybody follow around all the emojis. Hanale moon, everyone. Hanale moon is lighting, beloved Kauai. Aloha, nova, Yahweh. Aloha, nova.